Our next all-star team involves Canva, which is a tool that I believe is truly a best kept secret for teachers right now. It is absolutely free for educators, and you get a lot of the premium features for free as a teacher. And this is something that you can use with Google Classroom and slides, and it is a lifesaver. So let me show you this all-star tag team. Canva is a super easy, super fun tool to use as a teacher. If you go to canva.com and log in with Google, make sure you log in with your school domain credentials, because once you log into Canva and it recognizes that you're logging in as a school domain, it will prompt you to sign up as an educator. And once you do that and you have the Canva for Education version, you're able to access tons of educational templates for free. And you can use a lot of the Canva bells and whistles for free as well. So Canva is essentially a design tool, and you can design a gazillion things with Canva. Just take a peek at a few of the possibilities. So a poster, infographics, websites, newsletters. You can design fancy posts for Instagram. The list goes on and on. A Zoom virtual background. This is a bingo board. I highly recommend checking out Canva and all of the possibilities. What I'm going to show you today has to do with, obviously, Google and Google Workspace. But if you check out templates, you click on templates, you'll notice that you have some categories here, but the one I want to point out to you is education. And all of these templates exist for educators, and this is not available on any of the other versions of Canva. So I want to show you the classroom decor kit. And what you'll notice is you can browse pre-created artwork for various components of your classroom. There are posters. These are all printable, and they're also able to download, and you can save them as JPEG or PDF files and then re-upload them, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But two main things I want to show you. So let's go back to templates and education. They have pre-made worksheet templates that you can use. And when you click on these, let's see, like Candy's candy jars, it will open up that template, allow you to use it. And the great thing about this is that you can actually modify this. So if you wanted to modify this text, you could. If you wanted to change anything about this worksheet, you could also do that. So there are so many options for worksheets. You can search the templates and check those out. But I want to call attention specifically to some of the Google features. So if you go into just the search bar and you search up Google Classroom headers, Canva has so many to choose from. Look at all these headers. So you can use this in your Google Classroom header to spruce it up and make it a little bit more visually pleasing. And these are all editable as well. So let's choose one. Let's say we want to choose the art one. You can also favorite them so that those are the first designs to come up next time. And like I said, you can change any of the design elements. So if I wanted to say Mrs. Cooper's class, I could do that. Let me expand the text. I can move it. If I don't like these guys, I can delete them. I can add photos as backgrounds or images inside the template. Tons and tons of pictures, lines, stickers, charts. You can add text anywhere and a variety of really cool fonts. You can add audio and videos to whatever it is you're working on, say a web page. So let's say I want to now take this and use this as my Google Classroom header. So rather than creating it in Google Drawing and trying to resize it, or just working right in Google Classroom with those finicky canned images, I can just click download here, and I can either save it as a PNG file or a JPEG and click download. And then I just have to open up my Google Classroom, and I'm going to go to where it says upload photo. And then I'm just going to click and drag my Canva design right in there. And I'm going to resize that. And I'm going to save it. And voila. How easy was that? The other thing I wanted to show you that I love in Canva is the Bitmoji classrooms. So how much time have you spent on your Bitmoji rooms all year this year? Well, Canva got smart and created their own Bitmoji templates. So you can actually go into one of these. Let's choose this one. And you can modify this however you would like. If you would like to add photo elements like plant, you can do that. You can go in and add whatever it is you want to that to make it more relative to what you're doing. If you have the Bitmoji extension, you can actually copy the image. You can't just click and drag or double click. You have to copy and paste it. And allow. And it's going to make me Control V. And there it is. So now I have my Bitmoji in there. I can, if I need to, add links in here as well. So if I wanted to link something and make this interactive, I can. I just click on the text and I click these three dots and I add in the link, whatever link I want to link to an external website, and click apply. So it's very similar to your Google slide. So what do I do with this now? Well, it is editable until you download it. And then let's download it. And then I'm just going to go into my Google slideshow. And normally this is where I would add my background and take the time to create my Google slideshow. Oops. But instead, I'm just going to click and drag that right in. And I can resize it. And voila. And I spent less than 5 minutes on that, just adding, changing existing information. So those are just a few of the bells and whistles that Canva has to offer. I highly recommend checking it out because the possibilities are endless with it. And good luck.